Hello and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer here with today's lesson on Lockout Tagout, Affected Employees. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. When a Lockout Tagout procedure is performed, different employees will have different responsibilities. Responsibilities for Lockout Tagout fall into two different categories, such as authorized employees and affected employees. Unlike authorized employees, affected employees do not perform any maintenance or lock and tag machines or equipment. However, affected employees still play an important part in ensuring that Lockout Tagout procedures are performed correctly. This lesson will simply define what Lockout Tagout is, why it's important, who an affected employee is, and some safe work practices to follow to ensure everyone's continued safety. What is Lockout Tagout? You may have heard the term before, but what does it actually mean? Lockout Tagout is when a machine or piece of equipment is powered off and isolated before maintenance and repairs are performed. As the name suggests, an authorized employee will place a lock with a tag on the isolation device of a machine or piece of equipment and will only remove it after maintenance or repairs are completed. It may seem obvious by now, but why is Lockout Tagout important? Because it protects authorized and other employees from sustaining injuries or worse while performing maintenance or repairs on a machine or piece of equipment. If Lockout Tagout procedures are not performed, employees could sustain life-altering injuries or even die. So how do you know who is considered an affected employee? An affected employee is an employee who operates a machine or piece of equipment or works in an area with a machine or piece of equipment.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.